We've all been there. You work hard, put in the hours, and then bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and suddenly that paycheck you've been dreaming of feels miles away. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before the official payday? That's where DailyPay comes in. It's a service offered by some employers that allows you to get a hold of a portion of your wages you've already earned, but before the official payday. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But the big question remains, does DailyPay have an app? The answer: absolutely. DailyPay offers a user-friendly app available for both iOS and Android devices. This app is the key to managing your on-demand pay. Let's dive deeper into what the DailyPay app can do for you. Seeing is believing. Tracking your earned wages. Imagine this. You clock out of a long shift, feeling accomplished. But wait, how much did you actually make today? With the DailyPay app, you won't have to wait until the next pay stub to find out. The app provides real-time updates on your earned wages, including any tips you might have received. This transparency allows you to stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions. Taking control, accessing your earned wages. Here's the real magic of DailyPay. After you've seen your accumulated earnings in the app, you can choose to transfer a portion of that amount to your bank account, debit card, or even the DailyPay prepaid card. More on that later. This feature empowers you to manage your cash flow more effectively. Need to pay an urgent bill before payday? DailyPay can help you avoid late fees and keep your finances on track. Flexibility is key. Choosing when and how you get paid. The DailyPay app understands that everyone's needs are different. That's why it offers flexibility in how you receive your on-demand pay. You can choose between instant transfers, which might come with a small fee, or schedule the transfer for the next business day, all within the app. This level of control ensures you get your money when you need it most. Keeping it safe. Security measures on the DailyPay app. Financial security is a top concern, especially when it comes to accessing your hard-earned money. DailyPay understands this and takes security very seriously. The app utilizes 256-bit encryption, the same level used by major banks, to protect your data. Additionally, their payment network and customer support channels are compliant with industry-standard security protocols. Beyond the basics, the DailyPay prepaid card. While the core functionality of the app lies in accessing on-demand pay, DailyPay also offers a prepaid Visa card. This card links directly to your DailyPay account, allowing you to spend your earned wages directly at stores, online retailers, or even withdraw cash from ATMs in the Allpoint network. Here's the best part. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements associated with the DailyPay card. It's essentially a convenient way to manage your on-demand pay and make everyday purchases. A word of caution. Understanding fees and limits. While DailyPay offers a helpful service, it's important to be aware of any associated fees. There might be small fees for instant transfers or using the DailyPay card outside of the Allpoint ATM network. Additionally, there are limits on how much you can transfer through the app each day or pay period. It's crucial to review DailyPay's terms and conditions to understand the specifics before you start using the service. Is the DailyPay app worth it? Whether the DailyPay app is right for you depends on your individual financial situation and needs. If you frequently find yourself waiting for payday and struggling with unexpected expenses, DailyPay can be a valuable tool. The ability to access a portion of your earned wages before payday offers greater financial flexibility and control. However, be mindful of any associated fees and make sure you understand the transfer limits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.